Hey guys, so today we are doing a tutorial with Colourpop Supershock in the shade Obvi. How perfect is this for spring? I saw this the other day and I said, oh yes, you are coming home with me. That is so pretty. So I'm just going to walk you through what I have used so far for products because I don't want this to be a crazy long video, so I'm just doing my eyes in this video today. I've got on the LA Colors Sundae Lip Balm in Pineapple from Dollar Tree. This is in my bucket of things to use up this month. And then I've got e.l.f. Liquid Poreless Putty Primer, and this is not in my bucket, but it is almost gone anyway because I've been using it every day. And then my NYX Pro Fix Stick in pink, that's a corrector. And then e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in fair beige for my concealer. Maybelline Superstay 24-hour Skin Tint in number 112. By the way, everything I'm talking about, I always list the products that I use in the description box if there's ever anything that, you want to pick up or whatever. The information is always there. And then I used e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder in light pink. NYX Buttermelt Bronzer in Butta Cup. And Revolution Liquid Blush in Dolly Rose. This is in my bucket of things I'm trying to use up, so I've been using this blush a lot this past month. My highlight is Beauty Intuition Face Powder. This is from Dollar Tree, and I believe it was a Halloween launch for Beauty Intuition, so you can't get this anymore. But I love this. Love, love, love it. If you ever see that randomly at your Dollar Tree, get it. You won't regret it, especially if you have fair to light skin. Really pretty white highlighter, which, you don't really see white highlighters all that often. Okay, and I think that is everything I have. Oh, no, my lip product. I did apply my lip product. I have on Maybelline Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner in the shade Palest Pink. This comes in really handy. It goes good with a lot of my pink lipsticks. And then Hard Candy Meet Cute. This is in my bucket of products that I'm trying to use up. I'm going to miss this a lot because I really like it. It's super hydrating. It gives you like a glossy finish. It's like a tinted lip balm, basically, with a glossy finish. So these are at Walmart, and this is my favorite color in the line for sure. All right, so the first thing I'm going to start with is my Colourpop Shadow Stick in the shade Bear With Me. And I like to use these not really as an eyeshadow base because I actually have concealer and foundation all over my eye area as my base, but I like to use this, well, you'll see. What I do is I put it in the crease when I want like a natural crease outer corner shade. I just put this on and blend it. It's really easy to use, and this color coordinates really well with so many other colors. And they actually have other nude shades in the line, I believe, but this is the one that works best for my skin tone. But yeah, it's just a really quick and easy way to do your eye makeup. So I put it in the crease and the outer corner. And then from there, I'm just gonna go in with this Colourpop Supershock. So let's see. Let me grab a different brush. Okay, this is just a brush that I found at Dollar Tree one day, and I like it because it's a bit wider in terms of, you know, a shader brush. So I'm just going to pick up some of this Obvi color. And let's see. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh my gosh, that is so reflective, you guys. Wow. That is a gorgeous pop of color. And it's actually blending really nice. This is such a perfect color for spring. All right, I'm gonna actually finish this eye. So we're gonna move on to the eyeliner, and this is in my bucket of eyeliners to use up this month. It is the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Gel Pencil Liner in the shade Lime Smash. And yeah, I think this is going to match really well. Yeah, you can tell that this is at the end of its life because it's not applying the best. I don't think I like this color as an eyeliner. I thought it would look, you know, very coordinated if I did this, but I don't think I like that. So I'm actually gonna take that off and use something else. I don't care for that at all. I had forgotten how difficult it is to remove those Maybelline gel liners, so I actually had to. If, by the way, if the little tip, if you ever have an eyeliner that's really difficult to remove, mineral oil is the way to go. Unfortunately, though, because I put the mineral oil under there, it removed my concealer, so I had to reapply my concealer. So, okay, what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to take that Colourpop shadow stick and I'm going to take a detail brush and I'm actually going to put this under my eye and connect it. Oh, I like that so much better. Yes, yes. Okay, now I repurchased a mascara that I haven't had in a long time. Um, what is it? It is Essence Lash Princess Waterproof. Why waterproof? Because waterproof mascara holds a curl. If I use the regular one that everybody raves about, that you know is so popular, my lashes go stick straight with that mascara. But from what I remember, the waterproof one is a different story. I think um, this one doesn't do that. A lot of my mascaras are going to have to be thrown out soon, so that's why I got the Maybelline one and I got this one, and I actually have a couple backup mascaras that aren't open yet. Oh yeah, this is a good one. So if you don't like stick straight lashes and you've heard so much about Essence Lash Princess and it wasn't for you, try the waterproof version. It's the one that has the blue accent colors. Yeah, that's nice. Okay. Let me do the other eye off camera and we'll come back and do one last step and assess. Okay, so what do you guys think of this makeup? I think it's really pretty. It just keeps reminding me how much I love these Colourpop Supershock shadows. I love how reflective they are, and I love the color selection, but I really don't have many at all. All I have, I just dug out what I had in my collection. I have Rooftop Cocktails, which is like a duochrome, and I have Ritz, which is, probably the most popular one. But that's all I have is three Colourpop Super Shocks. I think I might need more. um, so let us see now whether setting spray makes a difference in this finished look. So grabbing my Milani Make It Last original setting spray. All right. So what do you guys think? I think this is perfect for spring between the mint green eyeshadow with the pink lipstick with the pink blush. I think this just screams spring. I love it. Thanks for watching. Bye.